Hello everyone, my name is Noah Wasikunilade, aka Mathematics. I'm a bona fide student of Lagos State University from Mathematics Department. This video is dedicated to all students who are taking their JAM for this year. The new update I have for you guys is the Campus.INFO is here again to organize a 3-week marathon, 3 weeks online marathon JAM class edition for all the subjects we are offering. The classes will start next week, Monday, that is 18th of April to 5th of May. So I'm glad to inform you that Mathematics will be the one to handle the maths subject, and I'm going to expose you to a lot of things, several topics, the important topics you have to take note in mathematics, and I will make sure that I'm able to show you some several shortcuts you can use in solving any questions based on mathematics. I mean, some dumb questions based on mathematics. And what I'm going to expose you to are based on several topics. I'm going to handle differentiation. I'm going to handle sum and product root of a quadratic equation, and some several topics like that: integration, functions, limits. I'll make sure I touch all those aspects in the subject. So guys, in addition to what I've said earlier, I would like to show you some preface on how you can use some shortcuts to solve some differentiation question. Suppose you came across a question in this format which says, if y is equals to ln of 4x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 2, and then the question says find dy dx. Now this is the question. Before you could handle this, let me just give you one particular rule so you have to follow, which says that if y is equals to, suppose I'm using my name as an example, if y is equals to ln of anything, suppose I'm using my name Noah, then the rule says that dy over dx is equals to differentiate Noah himself, that is differentiate that thing, over repeat Noah back. So that's all. Now here in this case I have y to be equals to ln of 4x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 2. Now my dy dx simply implies differentiate 4x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 2. Then eventually when I differentiate this, I have 5 times 4, that gives 20. Then x, subtract 1 from this power, which gives us 4, minus, I need to differentiate 6x squared. 2 times 6 gives 12. Then subtract 1 from the power, then that means I'm going to have 1. Then when you differentiate a constant, you should know that should be what? That should be 0. Divided by repeat Noah back, which implies 4x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 2. Now the result gives 20x4 minus 12x over 4x5 minus 6x squared plus 2. So this gives the final answer to this question. You see, it seems very easy. So there are more shortcuts or more rules you can use to solve differentiation. I can expose you to many more of them, whereby even though you have a question in this format like 4x raised to the power of 5 minus 6x squared plus 2 raised to the power of 22, I'm very sure with the use of the rules like what I just gave you now, you'll be able to apply it here also, and I'll be explaining that in the next video.